Hi guys, back to our channel Hological. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Gemini wallet. To do so, follow some simple steps. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Gemini Wallet login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.gemini.com. It will then take you to the official website of Gemini. And from the top right corner, click Login. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your email address, then your password. You can view your password by clicking to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, click I am not a robot. Then click Sign in. Then you should be able to access your Gemini wallet account. To make login easier, you can click to remember my email address, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public device. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking Forgot your password. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.